Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. Like previously we have done many of the videos related to JavaScript tutorials. We have covered up 7 parts till yet now. We are covering up another part of JavaScript tutorial, and today we are also covering up JavaScript variables. Previously we have covered up a project of JavaScript variable, and in project we have learned how to use JavaScript variable, but that was the project only of blog website. Now I am just showing you the variables project. Means this project which I am showing you in this video is made only on variables, and we will be seeing that how to work on a variable project and how to just put variable tag on the variable project which we are seeing now. Previous videos was also about variable, but that was variable in which that was the variable which we have put in the block side, and block side is not related to variable. Now I have put a variable website, and in this you will be getting all the variables website here. So remember to see this video, and in this video it will be really you can say it will be really learnable video for you. So remember to see this if you want to learn how to just use variable tag in a variable project when you are building using JavaScript or any other language. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like because it gives motivation to me. Also subscribe on my channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Share this video so more people can, and they can also take their benefit of these amazing things like we are taking off, and they can also just take these benefits, and they can move forward to learn amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how we can just use variable tag in a variable project of JavaScript. So like I've told you, we will be just using JavaScript variables on the JavaScript variable project. So this is our variable project here which we will be now building, and we will be using this JavaScript variable here. And like I've telling you, this was previous video which we have covered up about JavaScript variable. That was the JavaScript variable which we have covered in uh, blog website, and you can say blog project. But this is JavaScript variable which we are using in the variable project, and this is BL melody which we are using, and this is a variable project here which you can see. And now we will be seeing how to use variable in this project, and we will be learning where the variable has been used in this project. So you can see the heading and the at the top navbar thing. So there we have used the variable. So if I move to console, you will be seeing that you will be getting this caught type error. So here you have to write variable let is equals to, then we will be writing same variable, this is good thing. Then if I press enter, so you can see nothing happened because here it does not show me the variable here of this. So here I will be now doing like this, and then when you've written this thing, just here you have to do one thing. If I write here console, so simply you have to now write here console.log, then you have to write here print like this, press enter. So here you have to just do one thing, like here I will be moving in this tag, then you can see it is showing all the values, and it is also showing this. Now we have to clear the console, so here I'll be using console.clear, press enter, console has been cleared, and it is showing that command console was cleared. And now we will be seeing the variables here. So I'll be writing var means variable, which is the short form of variable. Then I'll be writing this is good thing, then you have to press enter. It is saying undefined. So here it is saying undefined because we have not defined this is good thing text here. So we have to define this. So here if I write console.log, now here if I write the same thing which we have written here, this is good thing like this. Now you have to close this, then press enter. You can see it is showing this is good thing here, and then this is showing us the text because it has been defined here. So this was the thing which I want to show you. And if you want to clear the console, here I'll be writing console clear again, enter you have to press. You can see the console has been cleared from here, and it is saying that it is undefined. So this like this you can use the variables. Here there are many other variables which you can use, like you can write this variable, then you can just write var is equals to 0, then press enter. Here if I press enter, so you will be seeing that it is again saying undefined is equals to 2. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to write console.log, then write here let, then move down. You can see it is showing the value 2 because we have defined this here in this console.log tag. Let tag we have defined, and let we have written this, so because of that it is showing the value 2 here. So like this you can do. And if I write let is equals to, then if I write here variables are good like this, if I write, then here if you define the tag like console.log let, move down, you can see it is showing the uncaught error because we have not put the tag here. So here I will be now doing one thing, let is equals to, same thing I will be writing variables are good again. Then here I will be now closing this, right here console.log, let close, enter. You can see now it is showing that variables are good when we have defined in this column. So like this, here you can use many other things, like these are the variables tag which you can use, and same as you can use var is equals to, then you have to write here this is good console.var. You can see variables cannot used here, so it can be asked like variable, this is a variable, then you have to close this, and here you have to press enter. So it is showing that it will be not defined here, so I'll be writing this is a variable again. Now if I write this and close this tag, here you have to define console.log, var means variable, and like this you can define these variables, and then here you can just write here let is equals to, then this is the project name. So here I will be now writing project name. You can see the project name is BL Melody. So if I write here BL Melody like this, and if I write console.log, and then if I write here let, press enter, you can see it is showing uncaught error is equals to, then I will be writing BL Melody here in this. Now this variable will be not showing us error. Here you can see this, let close enter. You can see now it is saying BL Melody again because it has been defined after this let tag, and we have defined this BL Melody in this console.log tag with the help of this let which we have written in this. So like this you can use these all tags, and like this is our project which we have done, and like this you can use many different variables in JavaScript using variable project. So previously we have done also JavaScript variable, but that was not only the JavaScript variable project, that was the blog website project in which we have done JavaScript variable. So this is another JavaScript variable which we are doing in this video. I hope you understand. If you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like because I will be uploading more videos like that which should be coming up, and that will be also helpful for you. And if you're new on the channel, want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these things like you are taking, because that will giving you help moving forward. And I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also in future which I have uploaded about these amazing things. So like this I'll be uploading more videos which should be giving you help moving forward. So now I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.